fear. It can be a very powerful motivator, and it can be used to get people to really change their behavior if used correctly. Now, I should say, in a long-term, healthy relationship, it should never be used. But unfortunately, in today's dating environment where people are constantly finding themselves in what is known as situationships, aka relationships without the love, then fear is really a tool in your toolkit that should be used to open up a guy's eyes to realize that he is going to lose you if he doesn't get his act together. So in this video, I'm going to teach you how to make a guy fear losing you, and it's actually done in a very healthy way that's focused on you improving your life. Keep watching. Hey there, Adam Untitled from sexyconfidence.com, where I help you create your love story. And before I get into this video, I need to make a very powerful disclaimer. If you're finding that you have to constantly make a guy fear losing you, then you know what? He's probably not the right guy for you. Also, don't use the tactics in this video to play any games. In fact, everything I talk about is going to make you a better person and actually make the relationship healthier. So I'm going to teach you how to make a guy fear losing you, and FEAR is actually an acronym. So number one, the F in FEAR is focus on your independent social life. No matter how amazing a relationship is, and especially in the early stages of a great relationship, you need to keep your own time. You need to keep your own friends going and keep your own life going. Because so many people are thinking like, how do I make a guy chase me? How do I make him think that I'm cooler than I really am? That's not the point here. You're supposed to actually be fun and interesting, have a healthy social life, and focus your energy on continuing to go out and meet lots of new people. And I should say, this generally holds true for relationships at any stage. You want to have your own independent group of friends. It keeps you sane. And the E in FEAR is eliminate your constant texting. Look, texting is definitely one way to a man's heart, but use it sparingly, because if you use it too often, he's gonna feel like you are basically just in his back pocket. If you have to, keep your phone on do not disturb and don't text him more than a couple times a day. And for every time he texts you, wait a few hours to respond, not because you're playing games, but because you have other going on in your life. The A in FEAR is get more physically active in your life. The better you feel about your body, the more confident you will be in your life. And I don't mean you have to have perfect abs, six-pack abs. I definitely don't. Just by getting out there and getting those endorphins moving and getting more physically active and doing more things in your life is going to really put you up in his eyes. He's going to look at you and be like, damn, I don't want to lose that. And finally, the R in FEAR is reset your boundaries. If a guy is taking you for granted and he's not treating you the way that you want to be treated, and let's say he's only texting you at 2 a.m. on a Saturday night to do one thing, then it's time to reset those boundaries. You need to tell him that that's not acceptable. And the only way to actually tell him that that's not acceptable, don't respond if he's texting you at 2 a.m. in the morning. Just don't do it. And if he decides he doesn't want to talk to you anymore, time to move on. On the other hand, if he does text you, let's say the next morning and say, hey, I'd love to see you, great, that's acceptable. You can hang out during the day and spend a little bit more time together. But be sure to form the boundaries of what is actually acceptable to you and what is respectful to you. And if he's not following those boundaries, then say that magical 4-letter word, next. So if you're in a relationship where you want to draw a guy back in, focus less of your energy on trying to get him back and focus more of your energy on yourself first. And as I've been saying to all you sexy single ladies over the years, never play hard to get. Just be hard to get, because you already have an amazing life that he wants to be a part of. And remember this, he will definitely fear losing you if he knows that you'll walk away if he doesn't treat you right. And if you want more help in this area, definitely recommend checking out the commitment webinar, where I'm going to teach you how to make a man miss you and commit to you and only you. And if you enjoyed the video, please leave a comment right there below about what part of this video you're going to implement in your love life. Thank you so much for watching. I'll speak to you next week, you sexy single lady. Bye-bye.